there's something that a candidate needs to complete from South Africa, and it's called a skills assessment. Now, for anyone that doesn't know what a skills assessment is, here's a quick breakdown of what it actually is. When you're applying,
what it is and who needs it.
Yeah, good point. So, when you're applying for jobs in Australia, the standards, especially health and safety and hygiene, is extremely high. And unfortunately, not all the other countries are the same. They don't have the same standards. They don't have the same hygiene standards. They don't have the same qualification standards. Now, the skills assessment that employers and the government require you to complete is to prove that your knowledge, your health and safety standards, and your qualifications are on par with their standards.